my dear students. Heartily welcome to Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. How are you students? Hope you all are fit and fine at home. Let's introduce myself. My name is Shrakhi Radhakrishnan and I am your chemistry faculty for this academic year 2020-21. We know that the present condition is being very versatile and it has all locked down our country. Most of our schools have started online classes. So our Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur has launched this online platform for you students to learn chemistry in a different way. It's a collaboration tool where for teachers and students can communicate with each other, upload the material, you can download the notes, etc. Even though teachers can track your progress in the Google Classroom. So, let me move to my subject, that is chemistry. We all know that chemistry is a scientific discipline which is an integral part of science. So, we have some theoretical aspects as well as practical aspects to learn for this academic year. Understanding the basic concept of chemistry is very important, since chemistry is a dependent factor in everyday lives. On theory part of your academic section, there are around 40 chapters you have to learn for this academic year. But some of the portions have been deleted from your syllabus and remaining 12 portions have to be learned for this academic year. On the first chapter, you learn about some basic concept of matter, which include understanding the nature of matter, atoms, molecules, molecularity, molarity, etc. On the second chapter, we are going to learn structure of atom, which explains different structure of atoms. You already studied in the 10th chapter, but some continuation is being happening on this chapter. Then, on the third unit, we are going to discuss about classification of elements in the periodic table. You already know the modern periodic table and Mendeleev periodic table where the elements are arranged. So, can specify more information from this chapter. And the fourth chapter and the last chapter, that is 14th chapter, is deleted from your syllabus. Next, move to the fifth chapter. Fifth chapter is on the basis of redox reactions, and sixth chapter is based on hydrogen. So redox reaction you already studied in 10th chapter. What is redox reaction, oxidation, reduction reaction, that's all things we have been studied in this chapter. Then a new topic of organic chemistry is also been included in the 11th and 12th chapter, that is hydrocarbon and organic chemistry. And some of the basic P block elements we have to be studied in the 10th chapter, and in 9th chapter we are going to study hydrogen family, that is hydrogen, its chemical property, physical properties, etc. So these are the theoretical aspects you have to learn for this academic year. On the practical section also there are some things to learn. So the practical section is the very important one is the qualitative and quantitative analysis of various salts. How to prepare the salts, etc. have to be learned in this chapter. Since the practical work is very important, there are 30 marks for this practical and 70 marks for the theory part. So you have to earn full marks for this practical section. So you have to give importance to the practicals as well as the theory part. Since all the concepts are familiar with you, so you can learn chemistry in a more effective way. I'm not just making you nervous for this academic year, I'm just telling you some syllabus portions. So don't get nervous. We can achieve this chemistry subject as a fluent way. So, I hope you all get the idea about the syllabus portions. And once again, I heartily welcome you all to our Gurukulam family with a warm welcome and wholehearted welcome from all our teachers. Thank you.